Everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session. This is the physiology portion. Which of the condition listed below most likely account for the following arterial blood gas result? Here are the options. pH is 7.49, partial pressure of oxygen it is 8.5, bicarbonate 22, partial pressure of carbon dioxide 2.4, chloride 12 milli equivalent. Here the answering options are the respiratory alkalosis, metabolic alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, type 2 respiratory failure, metabolic acidosis with increased anion gap. So first of all, see the normal parameter which we have to remember very carefully. pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide it is 4.5 to 6 kilopascal. Standard bicarbonate level it is 22 to 28. So these three parameters we should remember very carefully. With them, partial pressure of oxygen it is 11 to 14 kilopascal, anion gap 10 to 16, and chloride it is 98 to 107 millimole per liter. Now see the different type of the acidosis alkalosis. First of all, in case of metabolic acidosis, so what occurs? pH is reduced, and as it is metabolic, so in metabolic the primary event is the bicarbonate, or bicarbonate is responsible for metabolic acidosis. So when pH reduced, bicarbonate reduce, but partial pressure of carbon dioxide normal, and when compensation occur, then partial pressure of carbon dioxide reduce. That means in case of metabolic acidosis, all parameter reduce. On the other hand, in case of the metabolic alkalosis, what occur? pH increase. When pH increase, bicarbonate level increase, and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide normal. But when compensation occurs, then partial pressure of carbon dioxide also increase. So in case of the metabolic alkalosis, all parameter increase. Then the respiratory acidosis and respiratory alkalosis. In case of the respiratory acidosis, pH is reduced, but bicarbonate and partial carbon. But in case of respiratory case, primary event or primary substance is the partial pressure of carbon dioxide. So when pH is reduced, partial pressure of carbon dioxide increase, and bicarbonate level it increase when compensation. So in respiratory acidosis, pH is reduced, but other two parameter increase. In case of respiratory alkalosis, what happened? pH is increase, but first of all, partial pressure of carbon dioxide reduce, and bicarbonate reduce when compensation. Now see the equation, which is the 7.49 pH, and normal range of the pH is 7.35 to 7.45. So it is alkalosis. So first of all, it is alkalosis. But the second point, is it respiratory or metabolic? For this, let's see the other two important parameters, which is the bicarbonate and partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Here we can see the bicarbonate level it is normal, because the normal range is 22 to 28. So there is no metabolic cause, and partial pressure of carbon dioxide it is 2.4, and normal range is 4.5 to 6. So it is reduced. So in this condition, pH is increase, partial pressure of carbon dioxide reduce. So it is the respiratory alkalosis, and bicarbonate normal initially, but it will also reduce when there is the compensation. So the answer is ready, that the pH is 7.459, that means it is the alkalosis, and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide reduced, that means it is the respiratory cause. There is another scope to find out is it respiratory or metabolic. We can see the partial pressure of oxygen. When it is less than 10 partial pressure of oxygen, in this condition, this will be respiratory.